Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Input Options. This locates the keyboard app you want to change. Tap System or General Management, then Languages and Input. Once there, select Virtual Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard and pick the exact keyboard app, Gboard, Samsung Keyboard, or Swift Key. You do this now so the size controls are available. Make sure the keyboard app is active. If you don't see the app, enable it in Installed Apps before continuing, then return to these options. You now dive into the keyboard's Preferences or Appearance section to change how text appears. Look for font size, text size, or keyboard height. Different keyboards label them differently. Move the slider slowly to increase or decrease size and observe the live preview. This shows you exact results. If there's a layout option, try medium or large presets for consistent spacing. Once done, make sure to test typing in a messaging app so you confirm both visibility and comfortable key spacing. You finish by applying changes and testing typing across apps to ensure the font size works everywhere. If the keyboard ignores your setting, reset the keyboard app settings or reinstall the app. This fixes corrupted preferences. Also make sure System Display or font size isn't overriding the keyboard. Adjust in Settings Display. If problems persist, restart your phone. That clears cached UI scaling. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm you edited the active keyboard, not a disabled alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.